This quick start guide will help you to start using your Kenwood cooking chef with confidence. We'll explain the cooking chef's features and control panel, talk you through the stir speed settings and safety messages, and give you some hints and tips so you can make the most of your tools and attachments. First, let's take a look at your cooking chef's control panel. The high-speed outlet operates attachments that need high speed for tasks such as blending, juicing, slicing, and shredding. The medium-speed outlet runs the food processor attachment. The slow-speed outlet operates attachments that need slow speed and power to mince, make pasta, as well as slow slicing and shredding. The tool socket is where you insert the bowl tools. It has a planetary mixing action. This is where the bowl tool revolves in one direction and the socket turns it in the opposite direction, resulting in perfect mixing. The handles of the bowl are easy to grip and heat resistant. The bowl has a 6.7-litre fill capacity, so you can prepare large quantities of food. It has a special base including aluminium for even heat distribution. The bowl also includes a safety sensor to ensure it has been locked into place. The cooking chef uses induction heating technology, which is an extremely safe and energy-efficient way of cooking. It heats up very quickly and the power can be controlled precisely thanks to the electronic twin probes located beneath the bowl. LCD display shows either the time, temperature or error messages. The timer can be set using the plus and minus buttons to count up or down in 5-second increments. The maximum time can be set to 3 hours. The temperature timer button toggles to show either the time or the temperature. The temperature LED will flash to indicate that you're using your cooking chef's heating function. The temperature is displayed in degrees centigrade. By turning the temperature dial, you can set the temperature accurately between 20 and 140 degrees, with 2 degrees precision. When you press the fold button, the tool revolves 2.5 times at a very slow speed to gently mix the ingredients together. The pulse button delivers an instant blast of high speed. This is great for removing lumps in soups and for ice crushing. This button can also be used for high-speed, high-temperature whisking. This happens when you press the pulse button for 5 seconds. The speed LED will flash when you are selecting a mixing speed. There are 3 stir speed settings for continuous or intermittent stirring, depending on the dish. Stir speed 1 is a slow, continuous speed to gently mix ingredients together. Stir speed 2 mixes slowly for 2.5 revolutions, then pauses for 5 seconds. Stir speed 3 mixes slowly for 2.5 revolutions, then pauses for 30 seconds. Like all Kenwood kitchen machines, the cooking chef comes with variable speed control, ranging from 0 to max, 1 being slow speed, 6 being high speed. Now let's go through all the simple steps you need to follow to start using your cooking chef. Lift the head of the machine. Fit the heat shield. Fit one of the bowl tools, in this case the K-beater. Lock the bowl into position. Lower the head. Fit the splash guard. Plug the machine in. Add your ingredients to the bowl. Set the temperature. Set the mixing speed. Cooking will start. Reduce the temperature as required. Turn the mixing speed off. Remove the splash guard. Lift the head of the machine. Remove the tool. Remove the heat shield. Place the bowl onto the heat-resistant mat. The cooking chef is fitted with sensors to make sure you're using the machine safely when you're cooking. Safety sensor messages, or E-codes, appear on the LCD screen to tell you that something is not in the right position. If the head is not lowered correctly or raised during cooking, safety message E01 will appear. The solution is to lower the machine's head, turn the speed control to 0 and start again. If the bowl of the cooking chef is not fitted correctly, you'll see safety message E02. To resolve this, check the bowl is fitted correctly. The logo should always face the front of the machine. If the heat shield is not fitted onto the head of the machine when you select the heating function, safety sensor message E03 will appear. The heat shield must be on during cooking, as this protects the machine's motor. Check the heat shield is pushed firmly up under the head of the machine. If any of the outlet covers are not fitted correctly, the heating function will not work and E04 will appear. If you don't want to use the heat function, you can still use the machine while this message is showing. If you do want to cook, ensure all the covers are fitted correctly, turn the speed control to 0 and then select the right speed. Now we'll share some invaluable hints and tips to help you make the most of your cooking chef's tools and attachments. For the best performance, the power whisk and flexi beater need to be adjusted. All the bowl tools can be adjusted. Just simply use the spanner provided to adjust the height of the tool. The whisk needs to sit roughly 5 mm above the bottom of the bowl. Ensure it isn't lowered too much. It shouldn't touch the bottom of the bowl as it may scratch it. The stirring tool fits onto the machine in a slightly different way to the other tools. Insert holding the center paddle, push the tool into the socket and twist to lock into position. The rubber wings of the flexi beater can be removed for easy cleaning. Simply remove the wings, then rinse under the tap or place in the dishwasher. The splash guard has two functions. A guard to cover the bowl, using the feed chute to add ingredients, or a lid for use when cooking, similar to a saucepan lid to keep moisture and steam in the bowl. To assemble the steamer basket, simply place the plastic outer onto the base and clip the handles into position. To use the steamer basket, you need to have 500 milliliters of water in the bottom of the bowl.